Good morning, everyone. This is Aurora, Supercharged Science, homeschool science curriculum for K through 12, and it's early and overcast. But today I wanted to talk to you about how to get the most use out of your homeschool curriculum. No matter which curriculum you use, there's a couple of things that you want to keep in mind as you work through it, especially as you're getting your year geared up and ready to go for this year. Now, by the way, if you would like us to handle your science curriculum for you after I outline this and you're like, that's great, I don't want to do it, I don't have time, I don't know how, you can just reach us at superchargedscience.com. Look over our website. If you like what you see, you can join our science family where I can personally teach your kids science. So, now if you're watching this, chances are I am not the first science teacher or curriculum teacher that you've come across, right? You've probably tried lots and lots of different science curriculum. The problem is that most science curriculum, actually a lot of not even just homeschool, but just textbooks and curriculum resources out there, they're right, they're great in most things, except this one area that they seem to be missing. And that's something that you want to keep in mind when you are homeschooling. Now, I did a whole other episode on the biggest myths that are still being printed in textbooks where they're just dead wrong. So you want to go over and look at that. You can find it on my YouTube channel as well. At Supercharged Science, Aurora Lipper. You'll find that in there. But that's not what we're talking about today. Today what we're talking about is some of most curriculum that are written out there are usually written by academic writers. And while there's nothing wrong with that, most of these academic writers have never actually been in a classroom situation or worked one-on-one with a kid. What they've done is they've studied how kids learn, they've studied the best way to get information across, but they haven't studied what I think real homeschooling is about, and that is inspiring your kid to be the best person they can possibly be. And you can't do that. You can't learn that from a book because it's so individual. And so when you pick a curriculum, for example, I'm giving this example because I've gotten a lot of emails lately asking, is the Khan Academy a curriculum? And the answer is yes and no. Khan Academy is a great example. It's a beautiful resource that's available for free for everyone. And that's what it is. It's a video it's basically a video library. It's a textbook on video. How many people ever get inspired by their physics textbook? Not that many. You can get inspired by literature, but that's different. What we're talking about here is how to inspire your kids to be the best person they can be, and the curriculum that you choose actually is supporting that. It's not leading that process. And so that's something that you want to keep in mind while you organize your curriculum this year. So you want to pick something that is in alignment with what your kid values, which might be different than what you value. And this comes up if you've ever heard this, what do I got to learn this for? And you respond with, well, you just gotta. It means that you guys are missing each other. And as a parent, you got to be a detective and figure out what really motivates your kid. We talked a lot about that yesterday on my podcast yesterday. And so keep that in mind as you go along, what a curriculum is and what it is not. It does not replace the teacher. You can't ask a book a question, right? So that's what's so great. For example, with our course, we actually have videos, one-on-one videos and interactions with kids. Kids can ask us a question anytime, 24/7. I'm usually the one who responds. And you can ask anything you want, anything that's special. Like, I remember one time this dad was so excited because in our program you actually get to build your own telescope, and he was so excited and so pleased by his daughter's progress that he wanted to buy her a bigger telescope, but actually buy the one that she didn't just make. And he didn't know which to use, and it turns out I think she was in a wheelchair, so he wanted one that was lower down, and so we were able to help him out with that. I mean, you're not going to find that information in a textbook. That's what teachers are for.
Thanks so much for watching this video. Now, if you found it helpful and you find yourself thinking, hey, I want this person to teach my kids science for me and create my science curriculum lessons for me, then we can do just that. Go to superchargedscience.com. That's superchargedscience.com. And when you get there, you'll see a video that will show you the science curriculum that I develop and teach. Now, if you like what you see on the website, just fill out the information below on the product that you're most interested in, and your kids can get started today doing real hands-on science with everyday materials. Now, once again, that's superchargedscience.com, and thanks so much for watching.